Hi, I'm Jayasty. I am a passionate digital marketer and blogger. I have two blogs, jayasty.com and digitaljayasty.com. I have been enhancing my digital marketing skills so that I can help people by providing digital marketing services. One of the skills that I wanted to learn is website designing, but I had the mental blockade that website designing requires coding. When I joined 6 days Elementor Workshop conducted by Jackson, then I realized that we can design our websites even without coding. He taught us from the basics and explained each and every element step by step, which helped me to design one of the latest websites, digitaljst.com. And I'm very happy that I was able to design my website myself and as per my choice. The Elementor Workshop is very well structured so that people can get enough time to implement and ask questions too. So I strongly recommend to you to join his program if you want to build your career in website designing, or if you want to provide website designing as a services to your clients. Hope you have a great learning. Thank you.